Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a color of the week video and I will be painting my nails yellow. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe. So I start by applying a base coat. My base coat is by Flormar. If you have watched my previous color of the week videos, you know that I really like this base coat. Sorry for not uploading these color of the week videos in the last weeks, but since I have to do some reviews, I decided to go for the reviews and keep the color of the week videos a little bit aside, but now I came back with a new video for you. I will be painting my nails yellow. This yellow is by Kiko and it is the 279 and it's colored yellow. I chose this yellow color because last week I did the Detective Pikachu nail art and I thought, why not using this yellow on today's video? I think this yellow is a summer color, but I was so inspired by the Pikachu nail art I did that I decided to paint my nails in this color. I think I would wear some pastel or light yellow for spring. You know, any pastels or light colors are great for spring. Let me know in the comment section which are your favorite colors to wear on spring and summer. Now I'm applying the second coat of this color. As usually, I apply 2 coats of any color when I'm painting my nails. Now talking about the Detective Pikachu film, have you watched it? If yes, let me know your thoughts. If no, would you like to see it? Now that the base color is dried, I will apply the top coat. My top coat is by CN. I really like this top coat. Actually, it's a base and top coat, but I only use it as a top coat. Let me know which color you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and I see you in my next video.